Hi everybody and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the thumbs up. Okay, guys. Always at the beginning of the month, I go in to double check to see what's going on certain websites, and Boxycharm is one of them. And I always know that when the Boxycharm sale, which is usually the mega drop shop or the drop shop, ends, there's usually something that they do, like a flash sale or something that usually happens at the beginning of the month, because that's also when they give us a little few hints and confirmations of what's possibly our choice items are going to be. So when I went in today, I saw something new and exciting. So I wanted to make sure, like, as I always say to you guys, if I know something, I want you guys to know it too. So let me go in. I have everything set up on my computer, and we're just going to go through a couple of these things that are new to me. And I was a little surprised about it, and we'll go through it together as I go through my thoughts with you here. Starting here, this is what is showing. It's called Introducing the BOXY Shop. They're saying it is a brand new 24/7 shop that serves can't miss beauty essentials, always 50% off or more. So then I wondered if this was going to take over from the drop shop. And then I realized, now that Ipsy owns Boxycharm, this is my mindset, and I'd love for you to share with me in the comments, because that's what we do with each other here. We share information. I'm thinking this is going to be similar to what we are used to in Ipsy, which is called the Shopper. So we'll go through it. I'll open it up. We'll see what it's all about. But I wanted to share with you some other things that was on this page that are important. The first thing is that the date for our choice is going to be on September the 12th, which is Monday, and that always starts at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. They also say here that there is also going to be a drop shop. Now, the drop shop always starts at deals that are up to 70% off. So this is where I got a little confused. I thought maybe possibly the BOXY shop was going to take over from the drop shop, but it looks like we might have different type of deals. There's going to be the everyday deals that are going to be available to us in this BOXY shop. And then there's going to be different deals, if not some of the same deals, but probably more of the ones where we don't get FOMO, where there might be some of the choice items that if we don't choose one, we can still pick up the other in the drop shop. So we'll have to wait and see in reference to the drop shop, but I definitely want to share with you guys the information on the BOXY shop. The other thing that was on this page is they have this thing that's called Even More Charmer exclusive coupons. I never saw this before either. And so when I clicked on this item here, this is what came up were the extra deals that are in the month of August from items that were inside our box. This is also something that a lot of times I share with you when I'm opening up my Ipsy. They sometimes have these discount codes, and I share those with you on my channel. This I never saw on Boxycharm. So it says beauty brands coupon codes, and it's for the month of August, which means these are usually the brands, it looks like to me, that were in some of our boxes, like Glow Recipe, Trust Luce Beauty, Cab Cosmetics, Give Them Lala, Basic Beauty, Aesthetica, Girlactic, Mellow Way, which is that mascara that where the wand goes down, and then the Alpha H. And those are two brands that I know were 100% in the Boxycharm boxes for the month of August. So that is the other surprise to me, that this is now going to be available to us. The next item is I want to make sure that everyone knows the Charm Room is now open. And now they're saying it's open for 24/7, which I know this is usually when one deal stops, the Charm Room opens. But I'm wondering if now it's going to be open all the time. So I'm going to have to double check on that, because when I went under the icon that says shop, The charm room was in there, but the drop shop and mega drop shop, all of those were missing now, and the BOXY shop is now taking that place. So there's a lot of changes that are going to be going on. It's exciting to see, but I just want to quickly go into the charm room. If you're not familiar with the charm room, this is where when you take the time to review products, they give you points, and those points are called charms, and then you're able to use them to purchase products within the charm room. And then if you don't have enough charms, you can always pay the difference in the credit card that you have on file. And what's great about this is it ships for free, but I'm sure there's still that $1.99 in here, and you can shop. The prices that are in here are the full retail prices that we see on our cards and what they are available in our section that we get in the full retail. So you can also sort here. You could shop by makeup, the skincare, tools, or accessories, or you could sort like I always suggested everybody does, is I always go to lowest price first. So you're able to see how many charms you have by simply going into your account and going down to the charm area, and then it will tell you how many dollars you have. And it's pretty easy. It's like 100 charms equals $1. So all you really have to do is kind of add another zero and you'll know what you have. So this is the items that are in here. There was nothing for me this month that really caught my eye just yet. But like I said, I just went in, and as soon as I saw all this information, I wanted to sit down and film before I really started shopping or doing anything like that. So because I do have a couple of boxes that are coming today, so I want to make sure that I can get all the information in prior to me having the opportunity to get my boxes. So this is some of the items that are in here. This Hip Top palette is one of my favorites, for the Xeon one. And this is the Saturday Skin. This is also a fantastic foundation that if this is the right color for you, it is one that I would highly recommend, as well as the First Aid Beauty Radiance Pads. But I wanted to share with you that this is open, and then you'll be able to go into the charm room, check how many charms you have, and then you'll be able to see some of the items here. It looks like some people have chosen them for their charms that are available here. So just wanted to make sure that you guys knew about that. But I also want to go into that BOXY shop and see what that is all about as well. So just make sure to mark your calendars for September the 12th, because that's the important day for choice for your boxes for the next month of October. Also, just to update you also, and I shared this in a couple of videos if you've watched of mine, that the Luxe this month, they're promising everyone we're going to get this gorgeous Natasha Denona palette that has a $69 value. I think it's called Zendo. It is beyond stunning. Really excited for that for Luxe. And this is why I opened up on my channel, when I started my channel, my second account was so that during the Luxe month, I would still get the base. And then that's why sometimes you'll see two bases on my channel. It was because I opened it up for the Luxe month. They also are mentioning that this month it is going to be a takeover box for the premium, but they haven't mentioned yet what the item or the brand is just yet. So that I'm not sure. I'm also waiting on finding out for the American influencer. I know that the brand is going to be Ren Skincare, but I only have seen sneak peeks for about 2 or 3 items. So once I know all of them, I will definitely share the spoiler video with that for you guys, as well as me, when I have more information on that. So just like everything else that I do, you'll be able to check here. It is same as they did on the drop shop. This is free shipping over $25 in the USA. It looks like they have some bundles here, as well as going down to, individual items. But you can also sort by exactly the makeup, the skincare, hair, bath and body, and tools. So I'm going to just look at the makeup section first and just do a quick scroll. Again, I'm going to go to the lowest price first, because I always like to know that, as I always share with you guys, when there is a $25 minimum, I always suggest that you try to get to that when you're shopping on Boxycharm, because simply it is really important to know that you can, for the $5 or $6 that you would pay for shipping, you can actually get a $24, $26 product in here. So that's always how I like to shop. I've shared with you a lot of times about a lot of the products that are in here, so I'm not going to repeat myself. That Becca is a fantastic brand that if you can get a hold of it, you should, because that is a brand that you're not going to see around much longer. Rare Beauty, another fantastic brand. Kinship, I agree. Beauty Bakery, this is a fantastic powder as well. And Viseart to be able to get a full $30 palette for $9. Like I said, these are drop shop prices. So I'm really surprised that they're opening this up, and I think it's fantastic. But I just wanted to make sure that everybody was aware of this, because when I scrolled down here, when I first went into this and said, you know what, I'm going to film this for everybody because there's some fantastic deals in here, and all of these are products that I've had the opportunity to enjoy. This one here, a few have mentioned to me that you're really interested in the Tatcha. This is normally $52. It's saying this is Hurry Almost Gone. This has been in Ipsy as well as Boxycharm. This is pretty much half off, so I want to make sure that if you're interested, then you'll be able to get this, and that will hit your $25 minimum, and you will be able to get free shipping on that. So like I mentioned, please go into Boxycharm, check and see what this is all about. I just want to make sure that you guys are aware of it and share some of the Boxycharm news. And then I wanted to make sure to also share some other news that is on my plate to be able to share with you, but not enough to make a video. So wanted to make sure that everyone was aware, but the most important thing is to write down the date for your choice, which is September the 12th, and there still is going to be a drop shop there. So if there's something in here during this BOXY shop that they're opening, that this is deals that of interest to you, that's great. But remember that there's also going to be more deals coming our way on September the 12th as well. Take care, everybody. Make sure you're tuned into the channel and that you're subscribed, because I'm expecting some fantastic boxes today that hopefully they will arrive early enough that I'll be able to film and get them posted today as well. So keep your eyes open. Hopefully we'll have a lot more to share with you today. All right. Take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon in the next one. Bye for now.